Today we are going to make a really eye-catching cake for Halloween. This is all we need for this cake. First what we need to do is combine flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt and sugar together. Then in a separate bowl, we need to whisk eggs, melted butter, yogurt, vanilla and buttermilk. Next we need to add coffee. After that, gradually add prepared dry ingredients into this and give it a good mix. When the batter is ready, we can transfer it into an 8-inch baking tray and bake this cake around 40 to 45 minutes under 175 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. Now we are going to make spider legs. For that, draw leg shapes on a baking sheet with melted chocolate and refrigerate it until set. These spider legs are very small and they might break when assembling the cake. So make sure you make some extra legs. Our next step is to make the chocolate ganache. In a large bowl, let's beat butter until super soft. Then add cocoa powder into this. After that, add salt and icing sugar. Finally, melt chocolate with some whipping cream and add it to this icing mixture. When the baked cake is completely cooled down, we need to spread this chocolate ganache all over the cake. Now it's time for us to make the spider web. For that, we need to get ready with some melted white chocolate in a piping bag. Mark a place on the cake where you want to start the web and then draw spirals like this starting from that point. Then drag it along with the toothpick to give it a spiderweb look. Then you can fix the spider in the center of the web by using big chocolate ball for the body and a small ball for the head. Give eyes to your spider with white chocolate ganache. Finally, use the legs you made earlier to complete the spider. Hope you enjoyed this amazing Halloween cake. See you soon with another delicious recipe.